Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make
upside-down cake.
We're gonna make pineapple upside down cake.
And
so if you want to see how we make that cake, please stay tuned and tell them what to do, Maya.
Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell and subscribe.
So we want you to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and please share. So we're gonna make easy, delicious pineapple cake for you guys. Homemade. So if you want to see how we make that, please stay tuned. These are our ingredients, and we're gonna use 1 stick of butter.
And 1 stick of butter.
What's this?
We're gonna add brown sugar.
We're gonna add brown sugar.
And we're gonna add some oil.
Which is ½ cup.
And we're gonna add some cherries.
3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Room temperature.
And we're gonna add some
pineapple juice.
And we're gonna add some slices of pineapple.
Yeah, well, pineapple slices.
Add some cake.
And we have a yellow cake mix. You can use the
cake mix.
You can use the pineapple upside down cake mix.
And you have this large bowl.
And we have a large bowl. It doesn't matter if you don't have a pineapple upside down cake mix. Yep. You can always use a yellow cake mix.
Yep.
But you can still go ahead and get the pineapple upside down cake mix.
Yep.
First, we're gonna start by melting the butter and the sugar. So we're gonna pour the melted butter and the sugar into our baking tin, our baking container. Now we're gonna separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. Oh my god. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna whisk our egg white so they're nice and foamy and stiff. So this is gonna take a long while. You can use an electric mixer if you want, but we're gonna just use a hand whisk for now. So you're gonna. So what this is gonna do is incorporate some here into the flour, into the cake mix. Instead of just adding them, this is gonna make it have a very nice sponge texture, because pineapple upside down cake is a sponge cake, so you want it to be light like a sponge. So you're gonna whisk this really nice and foamy. So you want it to have a nice foamy. See, it's nice and foamy now. As I said, you can use an electric mixer if you want, because it's gonna take you some time to do it. So nice and foamy. So now I'm gonna whisk the egg whites, the egg yolk.
The cherry.
So we're gonna start by sieving this cake mix.
This is cake mix, mommy, right?
This is cake mix, yeah. When you're baking, it's always best to sieve the dry ingredients. Okay, take your time, take your time.
Wow, that's what too much.
Alright.
Wait a minute. Stop doing.
So you want to turn it?
Yeah.
So turn it. Turn it. I'll hold it and you turn it.
Cherry flavor. You know, and then
okay, you do the rest.
20 hands after that.
So we're gonna add a half cup of oil. One cup. Instead of using water, we're gonna use the pineapple juice to substitute that to give it the nice pineapple flavor. And this is 1 cup of pineapple juice. I'm gonna add the egg yolk.
You could just the slime. Just need the slime.
And I'm gonna add the egg white. See, nice and
Just
foamy.
them all.
Come on now.
Just stir them all.
As I say again, you can go ahead and use a electric mixer, but we prefer to use our hand. So you want to mix this till everything is smooth and combined. You want to see no white. You want to see no white in there. Everything is smooth and mixed out. And you don't want to over mix. See, everything is nicely mixed out. So I'm gonna add the butter on top of the pineapples. You can even add some pineapple chunks to it, but I don't like that. But I'm just giving you guys some suggestions. And this batter thing, so good. You're gonna tap it 3 times to get the air bubbles up. And our oven is already preheated, and we're gonna add that. We're gonna add it to the oven right now. When on 350 degrees, we're gonna bake for 35 minutes, or when you insert the toothpick, there's nothing to come off on it. So now we're gonna add it into the oven on the top tray, because you know hot hair rise. So we're gonna put that there and leave it. Let's bake for 45 minutes. Take a closer look. And I put it to cool for a little bit, then I flipped it over.
You flipped it over?
Because you want, when it is cooling, it is flipped over. You don't want it on the bottom, and then you flip it over.
Then you flip it over?
Flip it over first, and let it cool. It's not all the way cool yet, but I'm going to try my best to see if I can take it off.
Okay.
So I finally take it off, guys. And this is the result. Look at it. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. Look at this. Now Maya's gonna do a taste test. Stand up. Maya's gonna do the taste test for us. Which side do you want? The side with the pineapple? This side?
And this one in the middle.
You want piece with the pineapple, right?
Everybody cherry too. Always tastes good.
You see, and you can see the sugar and the. Oh my god! You can see the sugar and the butter.
This one. Yeah, now put them up.
Look at this. Spongy and nice. Oh my god.
Yum.
Look at this.
Yum, it's delicious.
A very nice spongy texture.
Now put on my plate, Mommy.
Oh my god, wait.
Mommy, don't.
Maya, want such a big piece?
Yeah, I'll test one.
Okay, so you're gonna do a taste test, right?
No, where's my spoon? Fork.
So guys, this is our final product.
Mom, where's my fork?
This is our end result.
Mommy.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below if you enjoy watching this video. Please share with a friend that would love to use this recipe, and you can use this recipe also. So like, share, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video. Am I gonna do the taste test? Come on now.
Where's my spoon?
You don't need a spoon. Hold it.
Hold it. Okay. Mom, where do you get these? Yummy.
So like, share, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and you can leave in the comment section if you got any suggestion on what you would like us to make next on our next video. Leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And thanks for watching it. Look at this. Oh my god. And I can taste the pineapple juice. It smells so nice, right?
Yeah.
It smells good.
Good.
Smell good. I smell it.
So good.
It smells good, and the sugar and butter give it a nice texture at the top.
Yeah.
It almost tastes like a custard.
Yeah.
It tastes really good.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye guys, and subscribe.